Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book a GranClass seat with JR East, step by step, right from the official website. Whether you're planning your first Shinkansen ride or just curious about what the booking process looks like, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know, from logging in, choosing your route, all the way to selecting your seat. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Before you start, make sure you have a JR East account. If you haven't created one yet, you can easily sign up on their website or log in if you already have an account. If you'd like to see the step-by-step guide on how to register as a member, you can check out the part of this video I've linked in the description below. Once you're logged in, go to the Purchase at Reservation page and select Purchase Tickets under the section for customers not using a pass. Next, on the Search Trains page, you'll have two options: search by train line or by station. Personally, I find searching by station the easiest, especially if you already know your departure and arrival points. In this example, I'll be using the Search by Station option. Simply enter your preferred departure and arrival stations, fill in the rest of your travel details, and continue to the next page. Once the search results appear, you'll see a list of available trains and schedules. This part can be a bit confusing for first-timers, so here's what you need to know. To book a GranClass seat, you'll need both a basic fare ticket, or an IC card, and a super limited express ticket. In my case, since I already have the JR East Pass, it covers the basic fare ticket. That means I only need to purchase the super limited express ticket, which helps reduce the cost. You can simply check the box that says so before proceeding. If you don't have any pass, JR East now also offers a convenient option called the Shinkansen e-ticket, which lets you travel ticket-free using just your IC card. From here, the rest is simple. Just follow the on-screen steps, choose your seat, select your ticket pickup location, and finally, complete your payment. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your GranClass experience aboard the Shinkansen, the most comfortable and luxurious way to travel across Japan. And here's my train trip from Nagano Station to Tokyo Station. Hope you like it.
2分です。
いたしました。14番線に到着の電車は11時2分発八高558号東京行きです。
ご乗車ありがとうございました。長野に到着です。お忘れ物なさいませんよう。
お願いいたします。また合わせましてキャスター付きのバッグも走行中転がることのないよう固定をお願いいたします。通路や座席を塞ぐことのないよう保管していただき、周囲のです。輝き号とのお乗り間違いございませんよう。
Please fix bags with wheels to keep from rolling while the train is moving. Also, make sure not to block the aisle or seat and be careful not to block the backrest of customers around you. baggage such as ski board/snowboard from falling down while the train is moving. Also, when placing in front of your seat, please make sure not to disturb other customers.
14番線の列車は11時に分発、秋田558号東京行きです。まもなく発車をいたします。東京行きご利用のお客様は14番線の列車を近くのドアからご乗車ください。自由席1号車から4号車4両です。
お待たせいたしました。白鷹558号東京行きまもなく発車いたします。